Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be vlogging my day in online school. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment video ideas in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel while clicking the notification bell so you know when I post another video. Let's go ahead and get into this day. Today is Tuesday, March 9th, and today is actually called an opportunity day for online school and in-person students. So today we need to basically take a look at our work and do some things that we haven't done yet or should have done. Basically, the 11th graders at our school is taking the ACT and our teachers can't be in because they're basically watching the students. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm literally done right now, so I'm about to go do some chores around the house and start working for online school. Guys, I cannot wait until I get my tripod. It's actually coming in like 2 days. So I'm so excited for that because sometimes I want to give you guys better angles on my YouTube videos and I can't do that without a tripod. I can't believe I'm so like happy. Like I have 14 subscribers. Like just a few minutes ago I had 13. It's just nice to know that another person subscribed to my channel even though I have 14 subscribers. Hopefully it'll grow much faster than the last channel did. So excited. Now I need to set my to-do list. I actually already set it. I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek inside my Notion account so I can write down some things that I need to do and check off some things because why not? I will have a separate video on Notion coming soon because it's a great organization software if you guys really want to use it. I'm still actually setting mine up right now, so I'm trying to wait until I actually have it, but why not go ahead and give you guys a tour. Let's open QuickTime Player. Just scheduled my YouTube video to be scheduled for Wednesday at 3:30 p.m. So go watch that video because it's out now. So I really have a lot to do, and I'm glad I woke up at 5 this morning so I can get my editing done and just focus on school for the rest of the day. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my Admentum. It's basically this thing where it's a platform that basically gets you ready for ACT, and it's like a learning path. So you have to look at videos and everything to like pass the questions and all of that stuff. That's what I'm gonna do now. Nothing has really been that exciting since it's like a school day, but I'm gonna show you guys around on my school day that I'm not in person. So let's see, guys. I'll just show you. I'm in the process of trying to fix this, so be on a lookout for a closet cleanout video. Just don't like the way it looks. I'm trying to reorganize it and everything. So far, my room is basically good. My bed is kind of messed up because I sat on it. That's the book I was reading in my waking up at 5 a.m. everyday video type thing. And yeah, it's just this side of the room. I also have to fix this stuff, but don't worry guys, we'll get it done. You guys are literally in my printer, so let's work. I'm kind of bored sitting in my room. We're gonna take this to the kitchen or the living room, probably the kitchen. So it is currently 10:27 right now, and I just got done uploading everything for the What I Eat in a Day video. Actually starting another project for this video. I'm gonna check my grades right now because spring break is almost here, and last week before spring break is the last 9 weeks, and that's when we get our report cards. So I'm gonna check my grades. Okay. I'm actually happy because in the beginning they were not so great. They were like on the D side, and that's because I went to set one weekend on a project. If you guys don't know, I'm an actor. So I went to set that weekend, and like my grades were kind of down on that end. But want to run back up. I currently have 2 A's, 2 B's, and 1 C. C is already up to A. My band teacher just didn't upgrade his grades in I now, so it's actually A. So technically I have 3 A's and 2 B's. The second B is from my AP US history class, which I am so excited about because a B is technically an A in AP history. If you have a B, that is good because AP history is technically a college class. It's technically my 11th grade history, and I'm in 10th grade, so I'm happy for that. No way. Are you kidding me? I go to put on the thing for my phone. As you can see, it's on the tripod. Now, I'm up higher. I don't have to sit down or prop it or anything right now, but it's on my old one. I glued, you can still see it right here. I glued my old thing to this so I can have it for like the self-tapes and everything. I can still light it up. But like, I forgot, on YouTube, when it comes to YouTube, you might want to have different angles. Other tripod that just came in, it's too little. I might keep it just in case this one breaks or something happens. So yeah, I'm back to using my old tripod. Love this old tripod. It's the Amazon Basics. It's big, it's sturdy, it won't fall. It's everything I basically needed. I'm back. That was crazy. I'm gonna go take a 30-minute to 45-minute break, because right after the break, I'm gonna do my AP US History book exam practice, and that's gonna take about 30 to 55 minutes. So watch some YouTube and jot down some video ideas. I just got done taking my AP US exam, the part 2, which is the SAQ, the short answer question. If you guys not familiar with AP, there's like 4 parts to the exam. There's 55 multiple choice questions, 3 SAQs, 1 DBQ, and 1 LEQ. I just scored myself based on my teachers and what everybody has been telling me. I can see myself passing, but I can see myself passing with a 3 and want a 4. It's 1 through 5. 1 and 2 means you don't pass at all. You're not qualified. 3 is means you're qualified. 4 is like you're well qualified, and 5 is like excellent. Like, yeah, I am going to rest. I'm gonna start picking out clothes for me to go walking because I go walking today. So yeah. Guys, I technically am supposed to be ending this video right now, but to be honest, school takes longer than till 3 o'clock. So if you like snacks and you like a salty snack but healthy snack, check out these almonds. So good. So my manager actually emailed me to do something. No sé qué voy a hacer si